Tired of being confused by all the complicated money talk out there? At WealthFinHub, we make understanding finance simple, practical, and accessible for everyone. From crypto insights to smart side hustles and innovative investment strategies and AI tools that make money while you sleep, all designed for your financial growth, we've got you covered. At WealthFinHub, we leverage cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions to help you achieve financial freedom. From AI-driven investment strategies and personalized financial advice to automated savings plans, our tools are designed to simplify your financial journey and maximize your wealth effortlessly. Join us today and take control of your financial future with confidence and ease. Hit subscribe and start building your wealth today. Join our community the smart way with expert tips and insights.